Hi guys, welcome back to Caristocrat. Today, we're delving into the realm of cutting-edge automotive technology with the highly anticipated Kia K8 2025. Before watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. The Kia K8 2025 marks a significant evolution in the brand's approach to luxury sedans, blending innovative technology, elegant design, and advanced performance. This model, positioned between the mid-size and full-size sedan segments, aims to redefine what consumers expect from a Kia vehicle. From the outside, the K8 2025 exudes sophistication. Its sleek aerodynamic lines are complemented by a bold, tiger nose grille that has become a signature of Kia's design language. The grille is flanked by sleek LED headlights that give the car a distinct modern look, while the flowing roofline and sculpted body sides enhance its dynamic presence. The overall design is a testament to Kia's commitment to combining aesthetic appeal with functional design. Under the hood, the K8 2025 offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The base model features a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers a robust 290 horsepower, ensuring responsive acceleration and a smooth driving experience. For those seeking even more power, an optional 3.5-liter V6 engine is available, producing an impressive 375 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures seamless gear changes and optimal fuel efficiency. Inside, the K8 2025 is a haven of luxury and technology. The cabin is spacious and meticulously crafted with high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces, premium leather upholstery, and real wood accents. The centerpiece of the interior is a large curved display that combines the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system into one seamless unit. This advanced interface supports the latest in connectivity, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Kia's UVO system, which provides remote access to vehicle functions via a smartphone app. Comfort and convenience are paramount in the K8 2025. The seats are designed to provide maximum support and can be adjusted in multiple ways to ensure the perfect driving position. The rear seats are equally accommodating, with ample legroom and amenities such as climate control and USB charging ports. The car also features an advanced climate control system that maintains the ideal temperature regardless of external conditions, ensuring a pleasant journey for all occupants.